with this radical equation, we're trying to find out what the value of w is. And with radical equations, the very, very first step that we have to be able to do is to isolate that radical. Okay, what that means is I've got to get this radical expression, this portion right here, all by itself on one side of the equation. So I've got this 3 here that's in my way. I need to get rid of this 3 first. Okay, so we kind of treat that like a normal equation. I've got plus 3 on this side. I want to get rid of that. So the way to get rid of that is I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to both. So if I'm going to subtract 3 over here, I've got to subtract 3 over here as well. So that's going to leave me, let's see, 9 minus 3 is 6. So I've got square root of 4w equals 6. Well, the way to get rid of a square root sign here is to square both sides. So remember, what you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to both sides. So I'm going to square both sides right now. This square root sign and the squared will cancel each other. So those two will cancel out, leaving me with just 4w here. Then I've got 6 squared, which is 36. So 4w equals 36. Now I'm going to solve this one like a normal one-step equation. 4 times w equals 36. So in order to get rid of this 4, so I get w all by itself, I divide both sides by 4. And if I divide both sides by 4, I find out that w equals 9.